Hi everybody, welcome back to my kitchen. It's Roger here once again. Today I'm going to show you how to cook the most delicious chicken kebabs or kebobs or whatever you want to call them. They're very tasty, they'll impress all your friends. You can make a special dinner of it or just have it as a weekday meal. So please stay tuned and enjoy. So for this recipe we're going to need these ingredients here. I've got some runny honey, some Worcestershire sauce, and one of my all-time favourites, some soy sauce, and we're going to need some lime juice out of this bottle here. These are our spices: chilli flakes, brown sugar, garlic powder, all equal quantities, and we need these peppers, bell peppers, cut up the same size as these red onions and roughly the same size as our chicken portions there. So we'll make a really good start by popping all these spices into a bowl here. Then we can add the lime juice and the soy sauce and the Worcestershire sauce, and not forgetting plenty of runny honey. In that goes. Then we're going to give this a good old mix together. And put this into a larger bowl. Should have done this to begin with really, but then I can put the chicken in there as well. So we're going to cut these chicken pieces all the way over like this, and then when that's done, pop that to one side, pop it in the fridge and leave it for at least an hour to marinate. Then when that's done, we can start assembling our skewers. I always like to start with a piece of red onion to begin with, facing inwards. It helps to trap the meat and all the other pieces onto the skewer. There we go. Try and get these as evenly as possible. I'm going to make 3 skewers tonight because there are 3 of us for dinner. And we want to be fair, don't we? So we've got to put these on quite evenly. So when they're done, they look like this. And I'm going to coat these over with the remainder of the marinade that's still left in the bowl. This way it's going to be going on to the peppers as well. Also, we're going to finish off with these tomatoes that my son has grown in his garden. He's really proud of these, that's for sure. On they go, and then some mushrooms. These are some mushrooms I had left over in the fridge. Waste not, want not. So we'll pop these on. When they're all spread out, it's off to the grill. In they go, and we're going to make sure this chicken's cooked right the way through. Got a little bit of a brownness to it, and vegetables have cooked as well. Mushrooms and the tomatoes, and then we can plate up and it looks like this. Doesn't that look delicious? This is my tea coming up. I love this type of cooking. I love this type of food. Delicious. So please join me and make these for yourself. Get cooking, no excuses now. Oh wow. No, that is good, that is really good. It's got all the flavours that I wanted. A little bit of a kick to it, but not too much. Very impressive, I must say. And easy too. Please try this for yourself. You won't be disappointed. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell. Makes all the difference. You'll see all my future videos. Thanks once again. And bye for now. See you next time.